Alright guys, here we're on Lewisburg. There's a train going through. Can you guys see it? There it is. This is going through the Walmart at going through the Walmart in Lewisburg. So you guys can't see much. Because all these trees here. Pretty fast moving train too. You can hear it. There you go. I think it might be the end of the train. No, it's still going through. You can't see it no more on the camera. There it is. So this video isn't the best, but these dang trees in the way. There's the end. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.